Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you were looking for some compression massaging, I'm gonna call them things for your legs, this video is for you. So this company right here sent this to me and said, Ryan, can you check out these calf, thigh, and feet compression massager device? Who am I saying no but no way whatsoever this being provided to me in this review? I'm just here to keep it real. So first off, this thing is powerful. When you have this thing turned on to allow all three devices are working in unison, it starts with your feet, will compress them anywhere from 22.5 to 44.5. I believe it's kpis. It is significant pressure, but you have the ability to customize the intensity right here. You can also adjust, do you want it to just do thighs, just do calves, or just do feet? So with a couple clicks of the button here, you can do that. There's a timer that's built in for 20 minutes, and it will move from feet to calf to thighs and back and forth. And it basically builds up pressure, holds it for a period of time, and then releases the air pressure and moves on to the next body part. These things grip like nobody's business. You can hear the air being released right now, going into the next mode. This is like a serious piece of technology when it comes to holding this in. So it's really meant for those folks that are needing something that's gonna compress, hold for a period of time, and then let go. Sort of like a very slow massage. That is exactly what's happening. It's not like a quick, high pressure, fast moving. It's slow to compress, and then it holds it, and then it kind of releases. So it's one device, everything's plugged in together, and it has a piece that has this, the feet are covered, the calves are covered, and then a second piece that covers the thighs. And it has it on both legs. Then it has the remote. It comes with a cord to plug it in, LED light letting you know it's working. The cord is roughly 6 feet long from where it would be plugged in. Some specifics to let you know like what size leg, foot, calf this will really work best with. So the calf section will go up to a 33.5 inches all the way in diameter. The calf section is 24.8 inches all the way around. And then the length portion of the foot is 10.8 inches in length. And it's all connected via Velcro. You put it on, you just wrap around the body part, pull it as tight as you feel comfortable. It's now locked in with Velcro. Same thing with the foot and leg assembly. You just step into it, pull it tight, pull that tight, pull it over. The Velcro grips, and do that for all of the 1, 2, 3. So there's really 2 different feet, 2 different calves, and then 2 different thighs. So there's technically 6 sections that you would tighten with your Velcro. Another thing is that since this is portable, it also includes a travel bag. So if you're looking for an air compression leg massager that captures your thigh, calves, and your feet, hopefully this answers any question you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.